To stop wasting time and start living fully, we must fundamentally change how we approach each day. The Stoic philosophy teaches that time is our most valuable resource, and how we spend it ultimately shapes the life we lead. In today's fast-paced world, distractions constantly pull us away from what matters most, whether it's social media, unnecessary commitments, or the constant need for external validation. But the Stoics provide timeless wisdom on how to make the most of our time and use it to live a meaningful, focused life. The first step to stopping time waste is to live with intention. The Stoics deeply believed in living each day as if it's our last, understanding that time is limited. As Seneca wisely said, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. This statement is a powerful reminder to reflect on how we spend our time and how much of it we allow to slip away. If you live with intention, you begin to align your actions with your values and goals, ensuring that each moment contributes to your overall purpose. The Stoics also practiced daily reflection, and this habit is key to gaining control over your time. Marcus Aurelius, in his meditations, would regularly assess his actions and thoughts from the day. This practice of reflection allows you to review your behavior, identify where you wasted time, and learn from it. It helps you understand where distractions crept in, giving you the opportunity to correct those habits moving forward. It's a way to take stock of your time regularly, ensuring you don't slip into mindless activities that drain your energy and focus. In addition to reflection, the Stoics believed in focusing only on what's within our control. Wasting time often stems from worrying about external factors that we can't control. Whether it's the opinions of others, global events, or random occurrences, these external factors pull our attention away from what truly matters. Instead, the Stoics taught us to focus on our own thoughts, emotions, and actions, things we can control. By focusing only on what you can influence, you free yourself from unnecessary worry and time waste. You shift your energy into the actions that will lead to growth, fulfillment, and progress. A significant part of Stoic wisdom is the focus on simplicity. The more we clutter our lives with distractions, the more time we waste. Stoics like Epictetus and Seneca embraced simplicity, living lives that were free of excess. Today, we often chase fleeting pleasures, luxury items, social media recognition, and the opinions of others, which only lead to dissatisfaction and time wasted. By simplifying our lives and focusing on what adds true value, we can remove distractions and focus on what is essential. Stoicism teaches that a life focused on virtue, self-improvement, and inner peace leads to true fulfillment, while chasing external validation leads only to emptiness. One Stoic practice that helps manage time effectively is premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of adversity. This technique involves mentally preparing for potential challenges and obstacles before they arise. Instead of reacting impulsively to adversity, you anticipate it and plan how to respond with calmness and rationality. This method keeps you grounded and focused, preventing you from getting caught up in emotional distractions that can waste valuable time. The more you prepare for challenges in advance, the better equipped you are to handle them without losing your focus or wasting time on unnecessary emotional reactions. Another powerful Stoic tool for time management is the idea of daily routines. The Stoics, particularly Marcus Aurelius, valued structure and discipline. A routine helps us organize our time around what matters most, ensuring that we invest our energy in activities that align with our goals. A well-structured day allows us to maximize productivity and minimize distractions. When we lack a routine, we often waste time without realizing it, drifting through the day with little purpose. A routine brings focus, discipline, and consistency to our lives, allowing us to accomplish what truly matters. In addition to routines, cultivating the practice of mindfulness can help us manage our time. Mindfulness, in the Stoic sense, involves being fully present in each moment. Instead of letting our minds wander into the past or future, mindfulness teaches us to focus on the here and now, making every moment count. By practicing mindfulness, we can avoid distractions and prevent ourselves from losing time to unnecessary thoughts or worries. Finally, to stop wasting time, embrace the Stoic principle of amor fati, which means love of fate. This mindset encourages us to accept life as it comes, including the challenges and setbacks.